Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and this tutorial is all about how you can use ChatGPT over on Microsoft Excel. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. So here I have my Microsoft Excel open here. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and add an add-in. So first go to Insert tab and click on Get Add-ins. Once the add-ins store open, now if the add-ins store shows an error, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and just remove the account. If currently your account is signed in with Microsoft Excel, then you're gonna go and remove that account. Anyways, once the add-ins store is open, now you're gonna go and search for OpenAI. So here we have Brainiac Helper. So you have to add this Brainiac Helper to your Microsoft Excel. Just simply click on add. I have already added this, so I'm not gonna add this again. And once you have done, now you're gonna go to home, and here you will see your Brainiac Helper. So simply click on that. Now in order to use the Brainiac Helper, we need a GPT-3 API key. So how will you get that key? So simply go to your browser and search for platform.openai.com/overview, and it will get you to your OpenAI account. Now click on your profile icon in the top right, then click on View API Keys. Now if you remember your API key, then it's perfect. Otherwise you can generate the new one. Click on Generate. Now this is your API key. Just simply copy it from here, then go to Microsoft Excel again and paste the API key over here. So in order to use that bot, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and select a cell. Then you have to write a question. So let's say I'm going to ask most popular show on Netflix. Now to get the reply, you have to select the next cell and then click on Run. And you can see here we have got the answer according to the Real Good streaming search engine. The most popular show on Netflix right now is The Witcher. Now the Brainiac Helper has a limited knowledge up to 2019. According to 2019, the most popular show was The Witcher. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.